Okay, I'd like to show you some of the machinery that we're exhibiting at IWF this year. Here we have the slant model 3660 radio frequency press, which is used primarily in the kitchen cabinet industry for manufacturing panels. Here we have the thin cutting frame saw to produce veneer. So the material's fed in on the infeed side, then it's cut with thin saw blades. We have veneer ready to go straight to face laminating. Here we have the repair machine to repair defects such as knots. It uses a polyamide filling compound to cure defects in knots. This is our vertical press. It has a 40-inch opening. This press is 12 foot long and 12 inches wide. We make these presses up to 20 feet long, and it's used for the flooring industry, also for engineered stiles and rails. It's compact and it's vertical, so it doesn't take up a lot of space and can fit up right against the wall. Information, you can go to our website where you'll find more information, specifications, brochures, videos, and other information on the products that we manufacture.